Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to burn belly fat. If you're struggling with that stubborn belly fat and just can't seem to get rid of it, you're not alone. Belly fat is one of the most difficult areas to target, but today, we're sharing 7 easy steps that you can start implementing today to shrink your belly fat and feel better in your body. In this video, we're bringing you the best fat-burning exercises, foods, and the latest scientific insights, along with advice from the world's top experts. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your routine, this guide has you covered.
First things first, we gotta understand our opponent belly fat. It's not just about how your genes fit, we're talking about serious health risks here. 2 types of belly fat, subcutaneous and visceral. Subcutaneous is right under your skin. It's annoying, but not the worst. Visceral fat is the real enemy. It wraps around your organs and causes inflammation, increased risk of heart disease, diabetes, and more. The good news? You can beat this. It's not just about diets and crunches. Understand your body and make smart choices. Let's get into the steps to burn belly fat.
Look, you can't outrun a bad diet. You want to torch belly fat? Fuel your body with the right stuff. Prioritize fat-burning foods. Fiber is your new best friend. Think broccoli, spinach, berries, apples. Load up on lean protein. Protein builds muscle. It helps you feel fuller longer. Don't fear healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, seeds support healthy fat metabolism. Replace the bad with the good. Ditch sugary drinks for water, green tea, or black coffee. Boost your metabolism and stay hydrated.
I'm going to keep this one short and sweet. Drink more water. Seriously, it's one of the easiest things you can do for your body and your belly fat loss goals. Water helps flush out toxins, keeps you feeling full, and even aids in digestion. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Keep a reusable water bottle with you at all times and make it a habit to sip throughout the day. And remember, ditch the sugary drinks. They're loaded with empty calories and will only sabotage your progress.
Alright, let's get real. You want to burn belly fat, you gotta move your body. And cardio is your secret weapon. Running, cycling, swimming, dancing, whatever gets your heart rate up and makes you sweat. Cardio burns calories and helps you create that calorie deficit we talked about earlier. And don't think you need to become a marathon runner overnight. Start with 30 minutes a day, even if it's just a brisk walk. Every little bit adds up. Step 4. Build muscle, torch calories. Strength training is non-negotiable. Listen up. Building muscle is like having a fat-burning furnace running 24/7. Muscle burns more calories at rest than fat. So the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn even when you're not working out. Hit the weights, use resistance bands, or try bodyweight exercises. Focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and lunges. These work multiple muscle groups at once, maximizing your calorie burn. Step 5. Height. It hard. Maximize your fat burn. Short on time? No problem. Height, or high-intensity interval training, is your new go-to. We're talking short bursts of all-out effort followed by brief recovery periods. This method torches calories and keeps your metabolism revved up long after your workout is over. Think burpees, jumping jacks, mountain climbers, anything that gets your heart rate soaring. Start with 10 to 15 minutes of HIIT a few times a week and watch the belly fat melt away.
Steps 6 and 7. Chill out and stay the course. Consistency is key. You know I love to push you, but even I know that rest and recovery are just as important as crushing your workouts. Stress, my enemy, is a major culprit when it comes to belly fat. When you're stressed, your body pumps out cortisol, which loves to store fat around your midsection. So take time for yourself. Get enough sleep, meditate, do yoga, spend time in nature. Whatever helps you unwind and de-stress.
And finally, stay consistent. This isn't a quick fix, it's a lifestyle change. Results take time, but trust me, they are so worth it.
Remember, losing belly fat is a journey, not a race. By following these 7 simple steps, you can achieve long-lasting results and feel better in your body. From eating fat-burning foods to staying consistent with your workouts, you've got everything you need to succeed.
Consistency is the key to burning belly fat. Stick with it, and you'll see the results. It's all about creating sustainable habits that support your long-term health.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fitness and fat-burning tips. Comment below with your favorite belly fat-burning exercise or food, and let us know your journey toward losing belly fat. We're here for you. You've got this.